Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. On Monday the 5th of June, looking at Euro Dollar now, and we've seen Euro Dollar, which broke out on Friday on the back of that weak or disappointing payrolls report, just slightly slipping back, about 30 ticks down on the day now, Euro Dollar, but still you'd argue that little corrections are being bought into. They continue to be used, whereby you see sort of the market breaking out, finding support at high levels and going on again. That support of the pivot at 111 big figure last week certainly has sort of bolstered that long-term support that is now in place at 111 figure, and sort of pushing out above that 1267 level. Takes us to the highest since the 9th of November, which was the volatility that we saw in the wake of Trump's presidential election victory. And it's still on course, I think, for that to be tested. Now, you'd say that little corrections are a chance to buy. I sort of look at this chart and I think, well, you've had two lows here around 112 big figure. That is clearly your interim support. The momentum indicator is pretty strongly configured. RSI consistently sort of between 60 and 70. The stochastics consistently above 80. MACD lines coming back together again, but I don't necessarily think that's going to turn into a big cross lower. I think it's just a bit of a consolidation. And I think a little corrective move would be a chance to buy. Now you can see here on the hourly chart where market has fallen away in the last sort of hour or so. Around about sort of, as I said, 30 ticks down on the day, and I think that's likely to provide us with another chance to buy, looking at these momentum indicators, which generally unwind to around about 40 and then find support. So back into this sort of belly of support that we had on the breakout as we speak. So if that support starts to build, I think you can start to think, well, maybe that is another buying opportunity once more. Below 12 figure wouldn't be that great near term, but generally speaking, you've got further band of support 1160, and the key support remains that 1108 level, or basically that long-term pivot at 11 big figure. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll see you later. Thank you.